Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo and today we are back at Mr. FJ project, which is in Prampram. Today's episode is going to be episode 3. In episode 2 we looked at the oversight concrete casting, right? And then today's episode, you can see that the block work is going up. So we'll be looking at the block work, right, on from the oversight concrete casting to the lintel level. So that is a structure that you are seeing right there, right? So today's episode also, we will be focusing on the nature of the land, which one of the buyers, right, from the 1 acre that I came up this year to sell, for people to create a community. One of the buyers is curious to know how it looks after a heavy rainfall. So then we have to come to make a video to show the owner the nature of the land as it looks now, right? So this was just 1 hour after the heavy rain, which was the 2nd June 2025, which was on Monday. So I'm uploading this video on Tuesday, right? I'm uploading this video on the 3rd of June. So this is just after the rainfall, and this is what you see, right? You don't see any lot of stagnant water scattered around here. Everything is drained, right? So the nature of the land can easily tell you, right? You can see the greenery, very greenery. You can grow, you can have farm and all that kind of stuff here, right? So these are the things that something that I will not build on. I wouldn't sell it to anybody, right? So this is the nature of the land. So this video was made to show the client, and I just decided that maybe we should also use it as an educational video to educate people when they are buying land. This is the right time to buy land, right? We have season in construction, right? Sometimes, I think in my early stages when I started with YouTube, I was sharing those tips. Time to do your foundation, time to do your block work, time to do your decking, and time to buy land. This is the right time to buy land during the rainy season, right? If anybody is selling land to you, just ask someone to go there just after the rain, or maybe a day, after a heavy rain. Let someone go there and see how the land looks like. This is just an hour after that heavy rain, right? And then we went there to check on the land, and this is what the land looks like. You don't see any water sitting on the land, right? This is Prampram for you. Prampram is close to the beach, so most of the land, it has more sand than clay, right? I won't say that the land doesn't have any clay. This land has clay in it, but then the sand is more than the clay, right? The sand is more than the clay. Which if you look around, it tells you, it tells you the nature of the land. You can see more greenery, all around, right? So I've shared these tips, in my early stages. Like I said, the stages of construction, right? We are in a rainy season, which starts from May, right? June, July to August. I think it ends in November, right? The rainy season, the dry season starts in November. So let me say in August or October, the rainy season is over, and you can take advantage, right? At Giggle Production Group, we work with nature, right? Nature is strong. You cannot go against nature, right? So when you are planning to build your dream house, try to work with nature, right? So as you can see, we already fill after we fill the foundation itself, the remaining laterite was used to fill the surrounding of the land. You can see how the rain has compacted that also, right? So if you are building, build with the weather. Go with the weather. When it's dry season, you quickly do your foundation digging, right? And everything, you know, working towards the rainy season where you can do your compacting. You know, you buy so much water to do compacting, you hire the machine to do the compacting. Why not let the rain do that for you? Because during the rainy season, I mean, if you are not careful, you are just paying labor and you won't see any massive work being done. Because, you know, when you ask the guys to come on site, they start laying 1 or 2 blocks and it starts raining, they will stop and you will still pay them for the full day, right? So these are some of the little, you know, costs, you know, that you can, how to save cost. I mean, I have a video of this. I've shared this so many times, but I think this is a perfect video to kind of explain, right? To explain those things. That's why I'm repeating, you know, some of these tips. If you go to my playlist, I think most of my videos that we started, the Tema project, the Hills project, the Prampram project, you know, all of these projects, I mean, I've shared these tips initially, right, in the initial stages, right? So please, 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 we are in the rainy season. Those of you that wants to do your roofing, also, this is the time to do your roofing before you start working on your POPs, right? This is the right time, because when you are done with your roofing, it's going to rain heavily. You're going to test the roof, whether there's any leakage, right? Those who are doing hidden roof gutters, this is the time for you to do your hidden roof gutters, right? To test it whether there's any leakage or not. Don't do it in the dry season and, you know, with little pour of rain, you think it is safe. This is the time to test, you know, your gutters, right? And your roofing sheet. Right, don't wait till you are done with your POP and then before the rain comes and then not. This is the time, right? So nature is strong. Always build with nature. Go with nature, right? And for those that are buying land also, I mean, like I said, this is the time for you to go check on the land that you purchase, right? How does it look like? What is the nature of the land, right? So I mean, this, like I said, this update was, you know, for the block work being done here, and you can see amazing job being done by the team. You know, this owner is using his own team to build his dream house. You know, some of the purchases are being done by Mr. Kwete. As I said in my previous video, it's not necessary that if you buy the land from us, you have to use us to build, right? If you have your own team, I mean, it is allowed to use your own team to build, you know, your dream house, right? So the house is sitting on a half plot, and that's what you are seeing. So to all, you know, my clients that purchase land here, I mean, you can see the development happening here. As I told you, I mean, we have 2 more structures which we are designing, which will be coming up next. So, I mean, we are ready to develop this area, right? So, if you are watching and you own a land here, this is the update of, you know, the land. I will be coming more, you know, with an update maybe once in a month. I will come and show what is happening. Sometimes do an area tour for us to see what is happening in the area, right? So for those that they want to start building, they can start already. For those that, you know, are preparing also, I mean, like I said, we are designing 2 structures already, you know, which is coming, right? So stay tuned for more updates on the Prampram land. And the best thing is that, I mean, even though they are not using Giggle Production Group to develop this structure, the workers still have their peace of mind to work. Nobody is seizing their materials. Nobody is trying to take money from them. I mean, when they come, when the land guys come, we know the name to mention, right? Even though we are not on site, but they know the name to mention when those land guys come, and then they just move out. So this is what we stand for. When we sell land for you, you have the peace of mind to build your house, and we are not selling in a waterlogged area for you. I mean, that's one comment that I've been getting a lot. People keep asking if it is a waterlogged area. I mean, you can see it for yourself. So fast forward, we went to visit Madam Fatima's site on our way, which is not far, from the Prampram location. So I mean, this is the update. We realized that the place was a little bit bushy, so we have to cut, the weeds down. That's what you are seeing. You are seeing now. We also went around the structure to see, I mean, what is happening. I think it's been almost 7 months now since we last, did work at this location. But I mean, the structure is still standing strong. You can check out the blocks. Nothing has happened to the blocks. They still look nice and new. I mean, that is Mr. Kwete's block for you, right? Solid blocks, right, for you. So watch out for the latest updates, of Madam Fatima's project here at Gigo Production Group. If you want to know more about, what is happening with Madam Fatima, everything, Madam Fatima also has her own channel. I'll put the name here. You can go and search, her out. I mean, she's also busy building in Ajidam in the central region, right? So if you want to follow her journey, you can look for the name. I might put the link in the comment section for those that wants to go and check out what Madam Fatima is all about. She's still busy building, right? She's still building. She hasn't stopped building. We've just taken a pause here at the Tema Com to 25 project, but I mean, we will resume work very soon, right? So I mean, today's video is all about checking up on the clients that we've worked with for some time. That's what we do. We just don't give service and we just abandon everything just like that. No, we follow up, we check out on our client because we know most of them are not in the country. So we do also serve as security to make sure that everything is going on fine. So you can check with the structure. Nothing has happened, right? Nothing has happened to the structure, right? So I mean, this is Gigo Production Group for you, your one-stop shop. If you need land, let us know. If you need builders, let us know. If you want to do a quantity survey, I mean, if you want to know how much it will cost for you to build your house, if you have the plan, the architectural drawing, we can also do that for you, help you with that. If you need carpenters, anything you need, you go to my playlist. I have all the artisans number there. You can deal with them directly, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Like, do we?